up, y'all? This is Jordan from Designs by Jordan. I'm also one of your creative coaches inside the creative coaching group. Um, y'all, so today I want to make a really simple lemon wreath. So y'all, we are gonna start off with our bow, and we're kind of gonna alternate ribbons. We're gonna work with a lemon print ribbon, which is a canvas lemon print, and then a solid yellow, um, edged with glitter ribbon. Okay, it's super simple. We're gonna start off with an 8-inch tail. That's how we're gonna start off our bow. 8-inch tail. Then we're gonna bring in an 8-inch loop, pinch and twist. And y'all, I do the pinch and twist because if I were just to make a loop like that, I've got my ugly side showing. You don't want your ugly side showing. You always want your pretty side. Okay, 8-inch loop, pinch and twist, and then we're gonna cut just a little tail. So we start off with our 8-inch loop. So I just made a tail. It's about 10 inches. That's exactly what we should have. So next, our first set of loops were 8 inches. We're gonna move up to 9 inches. Our 9-inch loops, and we're gonna do 4 of those loops. Pinch and twist. 9 inches. Pinch and twist. Y'all, like I said, if you're using your easy bow maker, you would work from the back to the front. I just work from the front to the back. Pinch and twist. 9 inches. Pinch and twist. So now I'm going to make about a 7-inch tail, a 7-inch tail, and y'all, that's what we should have so far. Okay, so we have our 2 loops of the lemon, and then our 4 loops of the solid yellow. I'm gonna bring that lemon print back. Okay, so we're not gonna use a lot of ribbon, but we're gonna make a really pretty bow. So I am gonna make this tail 12 inches because I do want to add some length to that. So we are gonna make that bow, that tail 12 inches. And how we did 8-inch loops, 9-inch loops, now we're making this one 10-inch loops. So I need 2 10-inch loops. Gather in that ribbon, bring it to the back, pinch and twist. Okay, measuring out another 10 inches, bring it to the back, pinch and twist. Okay, so I am gonna make another 12-inch tail. So I run my zip tie around that center part of that bow, kind of start cinching it, but before I really cinch it shut, I bring in that pipe cleaner. I bring it, oh, see y'all. Oh, no, it's safe perfectly. Okay. So now we're just gonna fluff out our bow just a little bit. And that's what we should have so far, okay? Finding a spot on my grapevine, and I'm going to add this into my grapevine. Okay, so added that in my grapevine. I like to go through the grapevine. I don't really go around the grapevine just because I don't want customers to see my mechanics. So I don't want them to see the wire. I don't want them to see the pipe cleaner, whatever it may be. I don't want them to see that. So I'm going to come through and I'm going to just dovetail our ribbons. I'm going to like the very edge of that ribbon, like the very bottom of that. And next I'm going to bring in my favorite greenery. I love this greenery. I do get this at Deco Exchange or shoplikejordan.com. It does come in 3 sections, but I'm keeping these 2 sections together. I want to keep this one separate. I want to bring in another stem. So we are going to use the 2, one for the top and one for the bottom. So trimming my stems. And next I'm just going to run some hot glue along that stem. And I'm going to start at the bottom, come back underneath that bow, And next we're gonna bring in our other stem, and this one's gonna go up to the top. Y'all, I personally love to use glue guns. I'm not a big glue pot person, but you can always use your glue pot as well. Y'all, look how pretty that looks just with that. I'm gonna add those 2 stems that I cut off of each one. Okay, so even though that stem was long, I did cut that down, and I'm coming back right in the middle of that stem that I added first and tying that in. Want to go ahead and come back under that first set of greenery that I put in. Y'all, look how pretty that looks just like that. But I'm gonna add in these lemon pits. So just fluffing out that greenery that's on there. So now that I've completely fluffed that out, I'm gonna bring in some glue. And we're gonna glue that stem right in between that greenery. That first greenery we added. Coming back to the top. Pushing that through that greenery and that grapevine. Adding some hot glue. Coming back through and adding that other lemon pit. Now you could definitely stop there if you wanted to. I did pick out this greenery. And now I'm just gonna be adding this in kind of like in a triangle motion. We're gonna start here and work our way kind of as a diamond. The triangle or diamond, it's gonna work the same way. So tying in some of that yellow. So y'all, that is our really pretty lemon wreath.